Well, the storm is gone, and in the wake of the storm, a lot of humidity left behind. You can almost see it in the air out there as we look at a live view from our 360 tower camera. And no, it's not the color setting on your set. Do you see Lake Austin down there toward the bottom of the screen? Looking pretty brown, isn't it? You saw, in case you missed the video earlier in the broadcast on the story from Lake Austin and all the debris floating in that lake, it is absolutely incredible. You wouldn't want to be swimming in there today or probably anytime real soon until we can get that stuff pulled out of there or get it downriver and toward the Gulf. 91 degrees out there this afternoon. Humidity high enough that the heat index has been at 100 degrees at times today. These are current temperatures. Low 90s in our eastern counties, 93 in San Marcos. It's 88 degrees in Burnett, 93 in Llano. But because we still have a lot of the remaining tropical moisture left behind by Tropical Storm Hermine, there is a very uncomfortable heat index in a lot of locations, including, look at that, 106. That's how hot it feels right now in San Marcos, and 106 degrees is the current heat index reading out at the airport. 102 over in LaGrange, 100 out in Llano. Well, our skies are mostly cloudy. That's the only thing keeping us below 100 degrees this afternoon, and it's not that far below 100. 95 currently out at ABIA. It's 91 degrees in the city at Camp Mabry. A little wetter in the Camp Mabry area than out at the airport, and so that's going to absorb some of that heat, that wet ground, as opposed to the slightly drier conditions down in the Del Valle area. It explains the 4-degree temperature disparity right now. South wind at 3 at Mabry, south wind at 10 at ABIA, sunset 7:42 tonight. Molds are high today, but they're going to be higher because of all the rain. 1,338 is the count today. Fall Elm at 710 is pretty darn high for Fall Elm, and Ragweed 22 is low. Similar concentrations expected tomorrow. Temperatures rebounding into the 90s across most of Texas today after a couple of days where the temperature wasn't so bad. We just had too much rain with it, really. We've seen a couple of isolated showers here today, but there's nothing locally on the radar right now. The remnants of Tropical Storm Hermine, the actual center of the circulation, is moving from Kansas now into Missouri, with the heaviest of the rain spreading over into southern Illinois, western Kentucky, western Tennessee. Now, there is another system moving across the Rockies that is going to drive a front southward into Texas this weekend. It may get close enough to us to generate an isolated shower on Saturday, about a 20% chance on Sunday, but we really think the front's going to stall out in North Texas, so not really big rain chances. There is a tropical disturbance here over the Windward Islands. Here's the Caribbean Sea. We're way out in the eastern Caribbean, so we have 5 to 7 days to worry about this, but it is going to track across the Caribbean and toward the Gulf of Mexico, so we'll have to watch that. And that's Tropical Depression Igor there. Actually became a tropical storm yesterday, but it's way out there off of Africa by the Cape Verde Islands, so we have a long time to track Igor. All right, tonight, temperatures in the middle and upper 70s, warm and humid. Tomorrow, even hotter than today, at least into the low to mid-90s at your house. 77 tonight, some low clouds coming back in or remaining in place. 94 tomorrow, more clouds than sun tomorrow, but no rain in the forecast. Slight chance on Saturday. Let's go 20% chance on Sunday. Temperature is going to stay real hot, mid to upper 90s at times, right on through the next 7-day period.